very good day for everyone. My name is Alan Lamifong. Today I'm going to talk about the lab 4 and supervised technique in AI. This is our class code TAT21003 Artificial Intelligence. My name is Alan Lamifong and this is my teammate Li Jin Hong and Soy Im. This is our metric number. Okay, for the introduction, what is UCI Machine Learning Repository? The UCI Machine Learning Repository is a collection of database, domain theories, and data generators, and it is a primary source of machine learning datasets for students, professors, and researchers worldwide. And the UCI has been mentioned over thousand times. Okay, this is for the UCI part, and for the next is Chemis. The Chemis clustering is aimed to divide n object into k clusters, which each object belongs to the cluster with the nearest mean. The optimal number of cluster k is leading to the largest separation each distance and is not known priorly and must be calculated from the data. The goal of Chemis clustering is to minimize the total in clusters variance or squared error function. This is my part. Thank you, everyone.
Question 1 is about download the dataset from UCI repository. Click Data folder and download this waiting for default complete download. Question 2 is about choice 6 class from the auto identification. There are 6 class. The name is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, and C6. Question 3 is about applied tokenization. A tokenization is to decompose a complete sentence into words, which can help understand the importance for each word. Question 4 is about transform every text feature in order to standardize the dataset. Transform case convert all characters in a document to uppercase or lowercase. Question 5 is about filter the stop word English. Stop word can be safely ignored and do not change the meaning of the sentence. For example, the word like the, he, has, and so on. Question 6 is about scanning the text feature in order to make normality before text conversion. The operator scans English words using the poster stemming algorithm. Stemming is the process of removing a part of a word or reducing a word to its stem or root. Question 7 is about deploy Kennedy algorithm. This is the design and output of the Kennedy algorithm. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to present about question 8 and question 9. Okay, and the first question 8 is some opinion regarding unsupervised classification. Okay, unsupervised learning is an algorithm that found pattern in unlabeled data. It is hoped that through imagination, the machine will be forced to construct a compact internal representation of its word and then generate imaginative content. Okay, and supervised learning is so because unlike supervised learning, there is no correct answer and no teacher. Algorithms use their own equipment to discover and present interesting data structures. Unsupervised learning makes inference from unlabeled dataset. This smooth is the best when you do not exactly know what are you looking. This makes it useful in network security because the method of attacker are constantly changing. Okay, the next question. Okay, question 9 is what is the difference between unsupervised and supervised classification? Okay, and first, supervised learning algorithms are trained using labeled data, and the unsupervised learning algorithms are trained using unlabeled data. Okay, and supervised data learning model takes direct feedback to check if it's predicted correct output or not. Okay, and the unsupervised learning model does not take any feedback. Okay, supervised learning model predict the output, but the unsupervised learning model find the hidden patterns in data. Okay, supervised learning can be categorized in classification and regression problem, but the unsupervised learning can be classification in clustering and association problem. Okay, in supervised learning, input data is provided to the model along with the output, and supervised learning only output data is provided to the model. Okay, that's all for me.